What's up, guys? So this is my 2007 Honda Civic Si sedan, if that matters. So yesterday when I was driving to work, everything was working fine, and then after work, so pretty much I pressed on the clutch, and the gear wasn't going into any gears. So I noticed that when I turn off the car, the gears when I turn off the car, the gears going in fine. All gears. Well, I don't think fifth because probably too much. I don't know. But anyway, it goes on to all gears, right? Another thing I noticed, my hold on, I show you guys. My clutch pedal is too soft. It lost some like resistance. Yesterday it was a little bit harder. Today is like way softer, so it's definitely no like resistance there or something. So obviously let's say I start the car right on on neutral. It's on neutral right there. And I press on the clutch, and it doesn't go into gear. So that's my issue. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I do, or maybe what you can do. I don't know if this damages the transmission or not, so do it at your own risk. But I'm doing this right now just to move around. So obviously first gear or second gear, and they're pretty low gears, because once you get the car running, you're not gonna be able to switch gears, right? So right now actually drove to my parents' house, which is a few minutes from my job, so it's not a long drive. But I'm still able to get the car running in third gear. I don't recommend it though, because it struggles to start. You have to like accelerate it. Right now there's no help, because I press on the gas and then it gets speed enough to keep the car on running. So either first or second gear. I mean, I'm gonna do second just to show you guys. So leave it in second, and then as I turn it on, clutch in, turn on, it moves. So at least I'm able to run the car. Because I don't know, for some reason it's like the clutch. Well, yeah, obviously, yes, the clutch is out, right? So I guess that's why the car runs. It's kind of like being push started right now by itself, which is good at least. And then obviously, so sometimes, well, actually today, hold on, I'm gonna turn on my lights. Today, I